sleep. It is the most important thing no matter how old you are. However, when you go off to college, it becomes even more important. My name is Tammy and I am with Family with Purpose, and today is part 3 of a college preparedness. As you know, if you've seen part 1 and 2, we have a son who is 1 month away from leaving for college. Have we bought a lot of things? No, but I bet your life we have bought everything that has to do with sleep and his bed. Why? Because I am Mama Bear about sleep. Aww. Sleep is important, and I will not be there to enforce what time he goes to bed. But you better bet your bottom I am going to be there to make sure that he has the best sleep possible. Now, I don't have to tell you, if you've ever been to a church camp, a dorm, or even a convention or conference that you stay in dorms, those mattresses are disgusting. They are full, well, hopefully not, but bed bugs, dust, allergens, everything under the sun, dirt, sweat, nasty. And college is no different, especially college boys dorm. So it is important that bedding is important. So here is what all I have bought so far, and it's sitting right here, and I want to share it with you. And there will be links below so you know exactly what to buy if you want to buy what we buy, but you don't have to. Number 1 is a bed topper. Those dorm mattresses have been used who knows how long. They are hard. So we got Max a bed topper, which is right here. It's just this foam, a memory foam. These range anywhere from 40 bucks to probably 250. We got a mid-range one, but a nice one. Along with the bed topper comes with a cover for it that is a little bit more squishy and keeps it on top of the mattress that's already there. So you have a bed topper. That's really important to make it soft and not so hard and lumpy. Number 2 is a bed mattress zipped cover, which is right here. And it's important that it's a zipped cover. It's all encasing the entire mattress. That's important because it keeps bed bugs out and not just covered it from the bottom. You want something that is full casing. Number 3, pillow cover zipped cover, which is here. This also will help keep their pillows from being full of allergies and dust and just help them to be able to have a better night's sleep with their pillow. Number 4 is a body pillow. We got Max a great body pillow because if you think about it, their bed is also their sofa, their study place, a desk where people hang out, so they need lots of pillows. Even guys need lots of pillows. A body pillow is really important, as well as we also got him a body pillow protector. Okay, the next thing is one set of sheets. One set of sheets, that's it. All my friends tell me, even though I want Max to wash his sheets every other week, that ain't gonna happen. One set of sheets is plenty. So we made a good one. And here's a tip. Make sure that you get the twin extra long, because you are gonna have big mattresses, especially if you get a topper, that you wanna be able to ensure that it goes all the way to the bottom and not fall off the ending of the sheet. That is annoying. And in order for it to stay set, you want a twin extra long sheet, as well as a twin extra long bed topper too. Also, the last thing is a bedspread and or a blanket. If you have a girl, maybe a pretty bedspread is more what they want. A guy may just want a blanket, but it's important. Again, we can't be there to instruct bedtime. What we can do is prepare him to get the best night's sleep he can. Even if it's a little sleep, he is going to sleep well if we have anything to do about it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video. If you are dealing with college readiness and college, not sure what to do and overwhelmedness, we have the bedding part covered. Check the links below and you can figure out exactly what we bought, where we bought them, or do your own research. We have done a ton of our own research, and this is what we have come up with. So until next time, be sure to like our page, comment, share this video and other videos, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun. Until next time, be intentional with your family and happy college getting ready.